Hey, Frank here, back again with Total Roofing and Construction. Last week, Thursday night, we had a terrible windstorm come through. Many of us here in Northwest Indiana lost power, including myself, for about a whole day and a half. And we are suffering a lot of wind loss that we are finding on roofs as well as siding. As you see here, we do have a shingle that's been lifted. We have found several across this slope while inspecting the roof, and we have siding damage that has left this house wrap that is also compromised, allowing water to seep in behind and potential water damage. As you can see down here, this siding did not blow off, but it maybe has a nail or two that's been pulled out. This is very loose. Also, while doing our walk around on the lower part of the building, we did notice another wall that had a zipper pattern starting to affect. That allows part of the seam to just open up a little bit more than it should. And as we got that windstorm, that wind is now tucking right into that, and it pulled off a good section of this siding. As these major storms are rolling across the Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland area, don't hesitate to call Total Roofing and Construction. Our project managers are on standby. We come out and do free inspections and are able to assist you on any services that you need. This is Frank with TRC. We'll see you out there.